We have just completed work on this crown mega session, so it's not just here, it goes all the way into the frontal zones. And what we're doing is just going over the design of this crown. It's one thing good about showing a gentleman without hair in the back and starting really with a bald surface is that it gives me the complete luxury of design. If he had hair there, I would have to follow the pattern of his hair, but when there's no hair, then you can be creative and really start designing a pattern that would maximally give him the best density. So what is this pattern? In this situation, the gentleman parts from left to right, and so we started the whorl on the left. The reason for that is going to arch up and it's going to cover the area of his part more effectively. If you think about it, if I start on the right side and went the opposite direction of his part went this way, it would be counterproductive because the hairs combing this way would open up the hair going this way. So it's better to have it follow the same direction. That's the first lesson here. The second thing is that what I've done here is I've created the whorl at the juncture between the horizontal, which is going that way, and the vertical planes. So the reason for this is a philosophy that we've developed over the last couple of years, is thinking about the crown in a way that when there's a vertical drop, the hairs can cascade downwards, and that creates a better visual density. So if you think about it, every hair that's here travels a greater distance than here. You still need enough density all the way down, but you create a slightly tighter pattern here so that when these hairs come down, you create better visual density covering this lower arc or lower half of the arc of the crown. So this is a junction between the horizontal to the vertical scalp. The pattern must transition over to his natural hairs in a way that does not abruptly have an angle change. So all these hairs really flow very elegantly into his surrounding hairs. And so this is just a mega session crown. In other words, we went all the way to his hairline, designed his entire scalp. His principal concern was the crown. So I'm trying to show you just sort of the design philosophy of how I design a crown.